Hey there, I'm Cerise. Welcome. So, this beautiful apartment is overlooking Sosua Bay. As you see that beautiful view, that is the popular Sosua Bay. Now, that skyline is something that you will see in a lot of photos when people come here to the Dominican Republic and visit the north coast of the Dominican Republic in Sosua. It is known as a tourist beach, and it is one of the popular attractions here on the north coast in Puerto Plata. Puerto Plata is the province, Sosua is the municipal, and this lovely apartment is located in an area called Los Cerros. Los Cerros is a wonderful area for so many different reasons. First of all, let me just tell you about this apartment. Two bedroom. It comes fully furnished. Everything that you see, you will receive, even the televisions, the beds. And the woman that is selling this apartment is a friend of mine. I work very closely with her with rentals when you guys are looking for apartments to come stay here, short term, long term. This is one of the ladies that I work with, and she's selling her apartment, this condo, because she is investing in her business. She also has a business here, a cleaning business, where she sells a lot of good products and she's getting a lot of wonderful distribution. So prayers out to her and send positive energy towards her business, guys. But back to this apartment. It is a lovely location because it is located along Route 5. Now, for those of you who don't know, Route 5 is one of the main streets. It will take you all the way to the airport from Sosua in like 20 minutes. It will take you to Puerto Plata City in like 27 minutes. It will take you all the way going to the other end to another beach town called Cabarete, and farther down going all the way to Rio San Juan. Sosua is a beautiful location to really buy in, live in, and a lot of you guys are looking to come here and move, and now is the time to do it because the prices are going up, and they are going up so high. I am so excited to offer this to you from a Dominican woman because she is not putting it up too high at all. $85,000 is a good deal for a two-bedroom condo overlooking the beach. Now, in regards to the location around this condominium, what you do as you go out front and on Route 5, there is everything you need at your fingertips. This could not be a more convenient area. As soon as you go outside, there are the local buses. As soon as you go outside, there are also the public car. Now, the public car is an awesome asset because it's like Uber Pool, but it is very inexpensive and it will take you to exactly where you need to go. It stops right out in front of this building. Now, of course, if you wanted to go to Santiago or if you wanted to go to Santo Domingo is the capital, 3 hours away. You just need to go across the street and go to Caribbean Tours. If you really want to know where this is located and you want to do your research because you haven't been here before, just look up Caribbean Tours in Sosua. You'll be able to get the lay of the land and you can really see on Google Maps where this is located. Wonderful, beautiful location, and it is in a safe building. It does have an outside gate, so it locks, it's always locked, and it is a smaller building, which means it's not going to have too much traffic going in and out. It's a secure building. Now, Los Cerros itself is kind of situated on a hill. Not necessarily a big hill that you have to walk up, not at all, because this is in the front on the main street. But Los Cerros is a neighborhood going to the back areas, and it has a lot of estates, beautiful homes. And not only that, this area has around it a lot of restaurants. It has shopping stores, so you can go to the grocery store. It has a lot of colmados, which are mini markets, and they will deliver to you. It is such a convenient spot as well because it is only a 4-minute walk to the beach. Really, a 4-minute walk to the beach. So not only do you get a view of that beautiful Sosua skyline, but you can go to one of the best beaches here in the Dominican Republic on this whole entire island. Sosua is a great beach because there's a lot of water sports that go on, and there's also a lot of swimming It is a very safe place, very convenient, and not only that, you can use this place as an Airbnb. A lot of people have been asking me if it's illegal to have an Airbnb here, and it's not. Not at all. It's one of the best destinations in the world and the number one destination in the Caribbean. So that's just a rumor going around right now. Now, there probably are some buildings somewhere in Santo Domingo and maybe Santiago that are exclusive condos that don't allow Airbnb for reasons being of, they're exclusive and they probably don't want just anybody walking up in their luxury apartments. But here in Sosua, where it's the one of the number one destinations in the Dominican Republic, most places are Airbnbable. Just a side note, if you're looking to sublease a place, please give me a shout because I have a few places right now that are available and they always come up. But if you're looking to buy, this would be a great place for you to buy. I have to tell you, there's so many people coming here now and they are getting apartments and they are saying, Cerise, why is everything over 100,000 now? And before the world changed, places were going at 40 and 50,000. And I have a lot of those videos on my YouTube channel. I'm not taking them down because I'm allowing them to stay up as memory purposes. So a lot of people can see what the prices were like just 3 years ago, 2 years ago, and what the prices are like now. They're just going to keep on moving up. In Canada, there's going to be a housing correction, I've heard. And that just means that the market is going so high that it's going to have to either topple over and crash or it's going to have to correct itself. And that's because places are way too expensive. I don't think that correction is going to happen here anytime soon because it's a developing country. And not only that, it is priced fairly according to a country that's growing. It's not a third world country. A lot of people have misunderstood that, and it's not. It's quickly developing, and it is developing amazingly well. There's a great president in now, and everything is grooving and moving. So if you want to get invested and you want to get something that is worth the bang for your buck, this is a great place. Again, my friend is selling it. It's not even on any listings right now. I had someone contact me and they said, hey, is it okay if my realtor goes and looks at the place? And I had to turn them down. And I said, I'm sorry. I just don't want any realtors getting their hands on this because it's only 85,000. And if a realtor gets their hands on it, they do have to make their commission. And that means they're going to see this as a mint condition apartment overlooking Sosua Bay. They're going to put this up 100,000 just because of the view alone. So I thought, you know what? Let me make this video as soon as I can. She got me the photos yesterday and I'm just going to put it out there on YouTube. This video is for serious people only, please. I really want to sell this unit for this woman. She's a beautiful Dominican woman, a businesswoman. She really has a lot going on in her life in regards to business, and she deserves to be in her business and also sell her place to someone that is just as serious as she is. So whether you're looking for a retirement property or if you're looking for something that is an Airbnb for a passive income, you can definitely rent this out. This place right here could go at a good $900 a month. People are renting out apartments in Sosua right now, and it is nowhere close to this. There are a few places that you can look up and you will see monthly they're renting them out at 900, 1,000, right? But this place here, because it's so quiet and it's so serene and it's just a few minute walk to the beach, this is something that you can already just have it as a pop-up business. You don't have to do anything to it. Nothing at all. Right now, she has someone in there till the end of May, and she's always busy on Airbnb. She lives with her mom here in the neighborhood that I live in, and she never, ever has time to go into this place herself. So there you go. It's always rented out. I rent out other apartments in that building, 3 other apartments in that building. and all of them are long-term rentals, and all of them are connected to her family. And the apartments are amazing because people have a really good, comfortable vibe in that apartment building. Again, it's safe, it's quiet, and you can relax. Now, a lot of people would be asking me, is there hot water? Yes, there is hot water. A lot of people ask me, is it easy to get internet? Absolutely. And other people ask me, how far is it to the main corner of El Bate? Because this is in Los Cerros. El Bate is the area where all the tourists usually go. And this is just a walk across the beach. Or you can get on a moto concho and get there in about 3 minutes. Or you can walk along Route 5 and you'll be there in about 15 minutes. It's really not a far walk from El Bate, and it is in an amazing area again where everything is at your fingertips. Your water will be delivered to you, like you're drinking water that you want to get in your big gallon containers, the 5 gallon containers. Those will be delivered to you. Also, any food that you may need. If you are a person that you really don't like to go shopping too much, the grocery store will deliver to you in this area, which is really awesome for people that would rent this from you, because I would just give them a number and they would call that number and everything would be delivered to their doorstep, and they don't have to even worry about going shopping. But in any case, guys, I'm going to let this video fly now. I just wanted to show you how special this place is. And this place is really special to my heart because, of course, it's probably one of the last places that you're going to buy with a really view like this and at this price. I'm excited to sell it at this price because there's not a lot of places going at this price any longer. And again, if and this is not to put any realtors down, they need to make their commission, but if a realtor was selling this, it would be at top dollar because it is well taken care of, mint condition, fully furnished. You don't have to do anything except put it on Airbnb and start making your money immediately. Alrighty, guys, take care. My information is on the screen. My name is Cerise. Feel free to reach out, and please, only serious inquiries. A lot of you guys love to ask questions, and I love that. Don't worry about that. If you have any questions at all, reach out. And I have a lot of other places for rent and a lot of other places for sale. So if you're not serious about this one and you just want to reach out to me, please reach out to me. I also offer consultations. So if you have a lot of questions, we can set you up for a session. Take care.
Love is a rain.